This is just a spin down. Unfortunately, these fans are on the same speed, and I think they're on high, if I'm not mistaken. Back when Newton Pro lines used to be there, two of them were on medium, and the one over there used to be on medium high. But sadly, they don't have them anymore. I wish they would have kept these Newton Pro lines though, but the only thing they could have done is to just simply replace the capacitors on these old Newton Pro line fans. But since they're not here, all the fans you see right now spinning down are the 44-inch Hunter Perlman. They're okay. They're just not my favorite. These fans aren't my favorite. These fans are okay. They're just not my favorite. Once they spin down, I'm gonna power on. Once these fans have spun down completely, I'll power them all back on. Second one is just stock. And here's the last one. Once the last one spins down, then I'm gonna power them back on to high. These are definitely the Hunter Perlman Sealy fans from 2020 or 2021. They have spun down, so it's time to power them back on. Contact. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.